Okay, hello everybody, what's going on? This is Mohammad, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve for this indefinite integral. So we have here the indefinite integral of tangent 2x divided by tangent of 4x minus tangent of 2x dx. Okay, so if you wanna try, pause this video, give this problem a try and keep watching this video for a solution. Okay, so how can we solve for this integral? First of all, I will start with this term here. I will replace it by tangent of 2x plus 2x, which is equal to 2 tangent of 2x divided by 1 minus tangent squared of 2x. So let's do that. Okay, so this is going to be equal to the integral of, okay, so the numerator is going to stay as is, tangent of 2x. And this one here is going to be equal to twice tangent of 2x divided by 1 minus tangent squared of 2x minus tangent of 2x and then here dx. And then I will divide both the numerator and the denominator by tangent of 2x. So that's going to give us 1 divided by 2 divided by 1 minus tangent squared of 2x minus 1 and then dx. And then the next step is to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 1 minus tangent squared of 2x. So that's going to give us the following. Okay, so 1 minus tangent squared of 2x, and here is going to give us 1 minus tangent squared of 2x and then dx. And if you can notice, okay, then the denominator, okay, is going to give us 2 minus 1, which is 1 plus tangent of 2x. So that's going to be 1, okay, plus tangent squared of 2x, and here 1 minus tangent squared of 2x dx. And as you can notice, the denominator is equal to secant squared of 2x. So let's do that. Okay, so that's going to give us 1 minus tangent squared of 2x divided by secant squared of 2x and then dx. Now now we can split the numerator over the denominator. So 1 over secant squared, that's going to give us cosine squared of twice x, okay? And then negative is tangent squared of 2x divided by secant squared of 2x. That's going to cancel the cosine term in the denominator of the tangent squared, and we're gonna be left out with sine squared of twice x dx. And we can here use the identity that cosine squared of 2x minus sine squared of 2x is basically cosine twice the angle, which is twice 2x, which is 4x. So that's going to be cosine of 4x dx. And now the integral becomes very easy. Okay, this is basically equal to the sine of 4x divided by 4 plus c, and that is the answer to this problem. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like, and if this is your first time here and you want to know more about brain teasers, logic puzzles, viral math problems, and all types of mathematics related problem, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.